A very good morning to all my dear children. How are you all? Hope all of you are keeping good health. Stay home and stay healthy. Be safe. All these holidays, all of us are at our own homes. We are not able to go out. I hope all of you know the reason why we are all at home. So we should take care and protect ourselves so that we can be back to our life, normal life, as early as possible. Missing you all very much. But still, all these holidays, we should prepare for the next session. So for that, shall we start with the first lesson of science of class 4.
What do you mean by basic need? Can we live without food? No, we cannot live without food. That is why food is our basic need. Do you know why do we feel hungry? We feel hungry when we do not eat food for a long time. Our body needs food when it is hungry. Food is the source of energy for our body. Energy is needed for us to do our daily activities, to work, to talk, to play, to study, etc. It is also needed for us to grow and to remain healthy. All living things on earth need food to sustain life. In this lesson, we will study about the different nutrients in different food. We will also learn about roughage, importance of water, balanced diet, and the ways of preserving food. The food we eat contains substances that make us strong and healthy. These substances are called nutrients. Food items are divided into different groups based on the nutrients in them. The different nutrients in food are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Each nutrient has its own importance. Do all food contain the same nutrients? No. Different food items are rich in different nutrients. Nutrients have different functions. Some give us energy to do work. Some are required for the proper growth of our body. And some are required to repair our body and protect us from falling sick. First, we will learn about carbohydrates. Do you know how a car moves? It runs on petrol or diesel. The petrol or diesel produces energy for the car to run. Similarly, the food we eat gives us energy to work. Carbohydrates give us energy. So, the food items rich in carbohydrates are called energy-giving food. Bread, potatoes, bananas, and cereals such as wheat, rice, and maize are rich in carbohydrate. The next nutrient we are going to learn about is fats. Fat gives us more energy than the carbohydrates. It also keeps our body warm. Oil, ghee, butter, meat, and nuts are rich in fats. But you should always remember that if you eat a lot of fat-rich food, it can make you obese, which means you will become very fat, which is not a healthy sign. The next nutrient we are going to learn is about proteins. They are needed to build muscles, to make them strong, to grow, and to repair the parts which are damaged during injury or sickness, which means when you fall sick, The proteins help to repair the damaged cells of your body. So they are called the body building food. They are present in milk, eggs, fish, meat, and pulses such as moong and beans. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals help our body to fight diseases and protect us from falling sick. They are needed in small amounts and are called protective food. There are several vitamins and minerals that our body needs. The different types of vitamins found in our diet are vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, and vitamin E. We get vitamin D from sunlight. The different minerals found in our diet are calcium, potassium, iodine, and iron. Calcium is needed for the formation of strong teeth and bones. Iron is very important for our blood. So, vitamins and minerals keep our body fit and protect us from illness. Fruits, vegetables, milk, and eggs are rich in vitamins. Milk, curd, fruits, and green leafy vegetables such as spinach are rich in minerals. So, my dear children, we have learned that food contains different types of nutrients, and we have learned about the 5 types of nutrients present in food, which are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, and vitamins. Now, let's see what roughage is. As you all know, we eat different types of food like wheat, rice, fruits, vegetables, pulses, grains, etc. Some parts of the food that we eat do not get digested completely. This undigested part of the food is called roughage. Roughage is important to us because it helps to remove waste materials from our body. Wheat, oats, green leafy vegetables, and fruits are rich in roughage, which should be included in the food which we eat. Next, we are going to learn about the importance of water. Can you live without drinking water? No, not at all. You cannot live without water. Water is very important for all living things on earth. We should drink plenty of water, at least 8 glasses of water every day. Water helps in the digestion of food, formation of blood, removing waste from our body, and using the nutrients properly. Next, we are going to learn about balanced diet. To know about balanced diet, first we should know what a diet is. The food that we eat every day is our diet. A diet which contains all the food nutrients in the right amount is called a balanced diet, which means a balanced diet has the right amount of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. It must also contain enough roughage and water. So, my dear children, I know all of you like to eat burgers and pizzas. All these pizzas and burgers do not have any nutrient in them. So they are called junk food. You should avoid all these. I know that all of you like to eat that, but trying to eat a balanced diet will make you fit and healthy. Do you know what will happen if you leave your food unprotected for a long time? It becomes stale and bad. We cannot eat it because it is unhealthy for us. We can protect our food or preserve food in a number of ways, and that is called preserving food. First method is canning. In this method, food is placed in jars or containers and heated them to a temperature that kills the germs. Fish, meat, fruit juices, and energy drinks are packed in cans. Drying is another method of preserving food. In this method, water is removed from the food, and it is usually done by keeping it out in the sun or by wind drying. In this picture, you can see grapes dried and stored as raisins and red chilli dried and stored. Also, you must have seen your mother slicing potatoes and drying it out in the sun and making potato fries for you, which you love to eat. That is also a method of preserving food. Pickling is yet another method of preserving food in which fruits and vegetables are preserved in salt solution and oil. Refrigerating is also another method of preserving food in which food items are stored in refrigerators so that you can preserve them for a longer period of time. So, my dear children, as we have reached the end of this lesson, I hope you have understood the different topics I have covered. That is, the different nutrients found in different types of food, their importance, the importance of roughage and water, what a balanced diet is, and the different ways of preserving food. I want all of you to read the lesson thoroughly and try to do the exercises at the back. I'll be reaching you very shortly. Till then, take care.